If you measure your car battery and it reads 12 volts, it feels like it should be fine. After all, it's called a 12-volt battery. But that number is misleading, and understanding why explains a lot about why car batteries fail the way they do. A fully charged lead-acid battery sits at about 12.6 volts, or 2.1 volts per cell. That number isn't arbitrary. It comes from the natural chemistry between lead and sulfuric acid. It's just the way the reaction works. As the battery discharges, that chemistry reverses. Sulfate builds up on the plates, and acid becomes weaker and the voltage drops. So when you see something like 11.9 volts, what you're really looking at is a battery that's about 25% charged. It's already starting to struggle. To put that in perspective, if your phone showed 25%, you'd probably plug it in. But with car batteries, most people keep cranking until the battery completely collapses, often below 11.5 volts. At that point, it's not just low, it's actually being damaged. Charging a battery isn't instant. It's a chemical reaction that happens in layers. The surface of the plates accept charge first, but the deeper material takes time to catch up. That's why a surface charge can fool you. Voltage might jump right up after charging, but the energy hasn't soaked in yet. That's also why the real test of a battery is under load. Once the chemistry stabilizes, you get the true state of charge. So as a rough guide, 12.4 volts is about 75%. 12.2 volts is about 50%. 12 volts is roughly 25%. These aren't just numbers, they describe the health of a chemical reaction inside the battery. Below 12 volts, lead sulfate starts crystallizing, making it harder and sometimes impossible to ever reach full charge again. Leave a battery in that state long enough, and it becomes a boat anchor. Keeping your battery healthy isn't just about the battery itself, it depends on everything around it. The alternator, the charging control system, clean terminals, solid grounds, and even underhood temperature. All of those factors affect how easily the chemistry can reverse and store energy. A healthy system should keep your battery around 12.6 to 12.8 volts at rest, and roughly 13.8 to 14.4 volts while the engine is running. That window keeps the chemistry balanced, not overcooked and not underfed. This voltage behavior is just one small piece of how lead-acid batteries actually work. If you want the full picture, where this chemistry comes from, why the design hasn't really changed in over a century, and how modern cars change the way batteries live and die, I break all that down in a longer video. I'll link it here on screen and in the description.